Hey guys, Google COVID-19 posts are replacing Google Post. I know a lot of you haven't done your Google COVID-19 post. Let me show you how. Watch this. Hey guys, so I'm doing these videos for free. It was supposed to be a course. It's $2.99. If you could please donate to my channel, that would be great. If not, please share this video. Okay, thank you guys. All right, guys. So uh, regarding Google COVID-19 post, I'm gonna admit it. I was a bad boy. I was a bad boy. I didn't even do my own, but I don't really keep up on my GMB. That's for another video. There's a reason why I don't. It's kind of funny, but I don't keep up on my GMB. However, I use my GMB to show other people like yourself what you need to do in regards to ranking in the Google 3-pack. And one of the things that's overlooked is adding your COVID-19 update. Let me just show you what you need to do. You need to log into your business dashboard by going to google.com/business, and you'll come to your page. You'll click posts, and at your post you'll see COVID-19 support and COVID-19 update. Click the COVID-19 update and add a message with a call to action. Now, the one that I did was the team at Mindsaw is still working regular hours during the COVID-19 crisis. We are fully up and functional during this crisis. Please stay well. I put my name, my business name, and my phone number. You can do the same thing. If you want, put in some keywords. If you're looking for services like bullet point blank, 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 and blank, I think that could help, right? I think that could help. And I'm not doing that. Like I said, it's for another video later on if I feel like telling that story, but you could do it, okay? So I'm betting 8 out of 10 people who watch this video haven't updated their COVID-19 post. You want to do that. And if you're a restaurant or a clothing store or anything to that effect, you could also give a link to your gift card. If you have customers coming in, they could purchase a gift card. You could also do donations where people could donate. This would be more for restaurants. However, that's just what I'm saying. You could do it for any business. I'm just imagining the donation link would be more for restaurants based on what I see on the news. But you could do it for your business, okay? Once you do it, once you do the post, let me show you what it looks like. So once you make the COVID-19 update, you'll notice up on the upper right-hand corner, it says COVID-19 update, and then in yellow, I just highlighted that the Rusty Brick team is working from home. We're fully up and operational, so on and so forth. Like I said, you could throw in some keywords. It may help. I don't have any data that supports that, but I also have data. I don't have any data that says, it won't help it. Anything that Google asks you to do, especially during this crisis, I would do. I bet you a lot of people haven't done that. They've just ignored it. So if I helped anybody during watching this video, I think this was a good thing. This was a good thing to watch. Short video today, but hey, listen, it's all about improving yourself, improving your business, 1% better every day. This is one thing that took 5 minutes to do, but it improved your business, 1%. If you have curbside pickup, you want to let customers know that you have curbside pickup and what the rules are, because people are Googling you and they want to know what they need to do business with you. So take a look, see if you did your COVID-19 update. If you need help with it, please feel free. You could email me at any time. My email address is bretmoleta@gmail.com. It's in the comment section below. Everybody stay safe. Take care of your kids. Take care of your wife. Give your wife a big hug and a kiss. And Let's rock it out till tomorrow. Thanks, guys.